got something to do.
I'm making bad. They see my cash, I'm on their ass, I'm good, and then I smell it. I'm making bad, bitch. I'm making bad. Make my cash, then I hit their ass, then I smash it. I make my cash. I make my cash. I make my cash, I hit their ass, then I smash. I make my cash. I make my cash. I make my cash, then I hit their ass, then I smash. Them hoes know how I roll. Fuck them hoes, that's how I go. Fuck that. Get your money, nigga, stack it over, bitch. You ain't got time to be playing no chill. Time is limit. Fuck that shit. Time is given. Like, time ain't given. Bitch, I gotta make my time. Can't be fucking wasting time. If you bitches waste my time, fuck y'all hoes. Get it live. Bitch, I gotta read my mind. Bitch, y'all don't respect my mind. If y'all don't, fuck that shit. I gotta too blind. Anybody in my way, fuck y'all boys out of bed. But in my mind, ain't got time for females or they fucking mind. So stay back, I mean way back. You know what I'm saying? How niggas said that. All I need is one phone call and guess what? They'll be right back. Just like my customers come to a nigga daily. A nigga stay on the grind. I guess that's why they be hating on both. But a nigga better chill on dope. I'ma hit them bullshit steals on the road. I got them on deck. Play with me, the bitches rack. Ready, tap, tap. Up on y'all motherfuckers sack. I don't give a fuck, I'm in all black. Ready to come react. You bitch ass niggas fall back. You niggas ain't living like that. Fuck that bitch, I'ma come right back with some old guns and react. Fuck that, cause I spray that. Now I'm gonna be back. And you bitch better not be on that motherfucking corner. If I see anybody on it, I'ma go on approach it and get the friend like wham. What the fuck this nigga ham? This nigga go insane in the motherfucking membrane. This nigga don't give a fuck. This nigga lost his brain. Oh nigga, I ain't got none. That's why them niggas won't love, man. You want the same? You don't understand? Like I told you, I ain't got no brain. That's why I be doing this thing. Bitch, I get up in it, and I just forget it. What I just did, I smoke a black, then I get with it. I'm smoking perp, like a chirp. Nigga wanna holler at me to hit my chirp. That big old chirp. Who this is? Oh, this is if you wanna feel. Bitch, I don't want one friend. Bitch, I don't want no. Bitch, I don't want friends. Bitch, I don't got nothing. Bitch, I don't want no motherfucking body in my mother around me. If you ain't my posse, get the fuck from around me. Before I get that bounce, get the bounce beat. Bitch, I ain't got no posses like I said. Them niggas fucking scared. When the beat come down, them niggas scared. Them niggas go to the motherfucking inside. You already know, boy, I been right. Been right for a little bitty. Nigga, you can get it. Fuck you niggas and you people. I don't give a fuck either. Let me hit the weed, hold up. About to pass the bitch, hold up. Slow it up. Bitch, I be on some mega shit. Fucking with this nigga here, bitch, I got me a mega clip. Ready to go rabbit trip. Ready to go rabbit, bitch. You coming around my fucking get your motherfuckers scary shit. I'm handing shit. Handing some bullets. Them bitches 4, 5, 4, 5. Them bitches coming so live. My 4, 5 bullets. Don't play no game when they coming. Them bitches don't get the running. I'm telling you, you better get the running. I don't give a fuck. I'ma do those. I don't give a fuck, bitch. I'm a pursuer. You already know. That's how I go. You already know. We'll start it back.